This cream of mushroom soup can't be justified better in any other season than the winter season, especially this Dilli ki sardi. Hi and welcome to another episode of this soup series, and today we are making cream of mushroom. It's mild, rich, creamy and just perfect for your foodie soul. The good part is it can easily be one of your comfort food, and the better is that it is very easy to cook and it hardly takes more than 20 minutes. Especially अगर आप vegetarian हैं, then this is a very good distraction from your regular tomato or vegetable soup. Cream of mushroom soup बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले we will be taking around 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. इसके बाद I will be adding 1 onion and 1 spring onion. This spring onion has a very mild taste जो कि सूप के साथ बिल्कुल perfectly मैच करता है. I have taken around 400 grams of mushroom जिसको मैंने properly clean कर दिया है. इस सूप को बनाने के लिए vegetable cutting में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. You have to just coarsely chop the garlic. इसके बाद हम लोग spring onion का white part लेंगे and then we will be coarsely chopping this onion also. To add more flavor, I have added 1 normal onion also. Further slice all the mushroom. इसमें कोई special shape या cutting नहीं है. We just have to cut it into small pieces so that they can be cooked quickly. Once the vegetable and mushrooms are chopped, we will be heating a saucepan. Saucepan जब heat हो जाए, then उसमें add around 1 teaspoon of olive oil and then add around 1 tablespoon of butter. Butter को हमें ज़्यादा heat नहीं करना है, नहीं तो ये जल जाएगा. Quickly add in the chopped garlic and chopped red onion. इसको एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 मिनट तक सौटे करें till they turn light brown. इसके बाद ऐड करें all the sliced mushroom and the spring onions and then cook it for around 4 to 5 minutes. For added taste, I have also added some stem of धनिया पत्ता जिसको मैंने coarsely chop करके डाल दिया है. इसके बाद हमें इसे 7 से 8 मिनट तक सौटे करना है till they are cooked nicely and इसके सारे juices release हो जाएं. Now add around 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. इसमें हमें ध्यान देना है कि हमारा मैदा properly cooked हो जाए. जब तक our mushroom is cooking, I will be preparing the stock for the soup. In case you don't have the stock, तो आप चिकन या वेजिटेबल क्यूब स्टॉक का यूज कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए मैंने बस 1 क्यूब का यूज किया है because this will be enough to give the desired taste. इसके बाद इसे बोल में डालकर इसमें गर्म पानी डाल दें and make sure that it dissolves completely. इसको मैंने एक साइड में रख दिया है and then I am going back to my mushroom. And you can see that the mushroom is cooked now, तो उसे आप ठंडा करने के लिए छोड़ दें. जितनी देर में हमारा मशरूम ठंडा हो रहा है, I will be toasting some baguette. इसको आप अपने डिजायर शेप में थिक स्लाइसेस में काट लें एंड फिर इसमें ऑलिव ऑयल या बटर डालकर इसे अच्छे से टोस्ट कर लें. You can also use a garlic bread or a normal bread जिसको आप क्रिस्प होने तक टोस्ट कर लें. अब मशरूम मिक्स को ठंडा होने के बाद उसे एक ग्राइंडर में अराउंड 1 कप वाटर डालकर पीस लें. इसको आप अपने प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से फाइन या चंकी ग्राइंड कर सकते हैं. Since it's not a clear soup, इसमें मैंने light chunkiness रखा है because this provides a very nice texture to our soup. Further, put the grinded mixture back in the pan and then add around half cup of water. After mixing this, put the stock water into it. इसमें मैंने creamier texture के लिए I have used around 1 cup of milk. If you don't want to use milk, you can just use 3 to 4 cups of water and this will be good to go. But because this is a cream of soup, इसमें मैं अराउंड 1 कप ऑफ मिल्क डालूंगी. इफ़ यू ऐड मिल्क टू इट, इसमें अगर आप क्रीम नहीं भी दे रहे हैं तो भी इसका टेक्सचर बहुत अमेजिंग आता है. स्टर इन द सूप वेल एंड इंश्योर कि इसमें कोई भी लंप फॉर्म ना करे. इसके बाद ब्रिंग इट टू अ बॉयल एंड लेट इट सिमर फॉर एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 minutes. So after you have checked the consistency of the soup, इसमें ऐड करें salt as per your taste and then add some white pepper powder. In case you don't have white pepper powder, you can also use black pepper powder. बट इसमें हम लोग व्हाइट पेपर पाउडर इसलिए यूज करते हैं सो दैट द कलर ऑफ द सूप रिमेन्स व्हाइट, प्लस इसकी स्पाइसीनेस थोड़ी माइल्ड होती है. एंड फाइनली ऐड अराउंड 1 spoon of thick cream. Now the soup has officially become cream of mushroom soup. Stir it well and let it simmer for another 2 minutes. Now just garnish it with some chopped coriander, parsley, spring onion or thyme as per your taste. Now pour the soup into a bowl and garnish it with some coriander leaves, spring onion and some cream. If you want, you can add butter here, but if you ask me, I will ask you to avoid it because it is already very thick and the cream is serving the purpose of providing smoothness to the soup. Have it hot. It tastes amazing with a toasted baguette or a garlic bread. By the way, as compared to other soups, this cream of mushroom soup has a bit of thicker consistency. But you can always adjust the consistency as per your requirement. This soup is perfect for cozy winter evenings or as a starter for any meal. Especially if you are a vegetarian, you have to try this soup because this tastes very different from your regular tomato or vegetable soup. If you have liked my recipe, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it now. Till then, happy cooking!